How to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First, make sure airplane mode is not turned on by mistake. It's here, but it can disable Bluetooth entirely. So, launch your Settings app. Now, navigate to the option Bluetooth and Devices. Here, you're going to find the option Airplane Mode. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Next, search for Services in the Start menu and open the Services app. Find Bluetooth support service, right click on it and choose Start if it's not running. Then right click again, go to Properties and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, not manual. Do the same for any other Bluetooth related services. After enabling these, check again if Bluetooth reappears in your system. If it's still missing, open Device Manager. Under Action tab, click Scan for hardware changes. This might force Windows to detect the Bluetooth hardware. If that does not work, go back to the Action tab and click Add Legacy Hardware. Follow the prompts and if you see Bluetooth listed, select it and install the drivers. If you don't see Bluetooth, try selecting Network Adapters, then Intel and look on the right hand side for Bluetooth options. If available, install and restart your PC. Another trick is to manually search for the Bluetooth executable. Open the File Explorer, go to Windows, C Drive, then head over to the option System 32 and search for the files related to Bluetooth. Look for the familiar Bluetooth logo. Right click and send a shortcut to your desktop. This may help if the driver exists but the service is not fully registering. However, if the Bluetooth hardware or driver is broken, even the shortcut won't function properly. You can also use Windows built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter. For that, launch Settings, go to System, navigate to the option Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. And that's it. These are some fixes for Bluetooth not working on a Windows 10 or 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.